Now that you have Pear Deck added to your Google Slides account, the way that you access it is that you click on Add-ons and then click on Pear Deck and then open Pear Deck add-on. Now on my computer, it added a link right here for it, but the first time you probably have to click add-ons to get to it. And then it would open up on the left side here, sorry, on the right side of your screen. Let me just see if I can get this out of the way. So here you'll see that at the top it says start lesson. So that's if you're doing a live lesson with students. You have your template library right here. This is where you would add your questions right into the slide. So you have the option that the students respond through text. You have the option of a multiple choice. You have the option of the kids have to respond with a number. You have the option of the kids going to a website. You have the option of the kids drawing on your slide. And you have the option of the kids to drag things. Now, the draggable is nice, except that you can only use what they have for draggables. You can't put your own pictures in and then have them manipulate pictures. You have to choose what icons you want the kids to use to then move to whatever you want them to do on the slide. And then if you go, the next part is the add audio. So this is where you can click add on your voice for instructions or directions onto the slide for the kids to listen to. And then the other things is just more information at the bottom. So that's the general overlay of the Pear Deck box on the right side.